Guys, good morning. It's a super windy September morning. It is, I think it's the final cold snap for September, but we're getting ready. The excitement is building for the 2023 Paratus Namibian Cycle Classic. I've got Andrew Hall with me. Andrew's the MD of Paratus Namibia, and I thought it would be a great opportunity to chat with you a little bit about why Paratus is so invested in this event.
Morning, Patrick. Yes, thank you very much. Paratus shares the vision with the Namibian and the Rotary Club to promote cycling as a fun, healthy and environmentally friendly sport. And it's also an opportunity for us to give back to the community.
Right. So I was at the HQ 2 weeks ago and I saw there were a lot of people behind those big glassy screens. I'm assuming there's a company directive, like a memo that's gone out from you, which kind of refers to everybody's KPIs that everybody is riding next weekend.
Of course they are. If they're not riding, they're running, or they'll be spectating.
And I'm assuming you're leading by example.
For sure.
Great. Are you guys happy with the way the event has gone so far? You came on board last year for the first time. I think it's your first sort of foray into cycling. Is the event meeting your expectations?
Yes, definitely. Beyond expectations. I think the turnout last year was very good. And we signed a 3-year agreement with the Rotary Club. And we're even looking forward to the next one.
Great, man. It's nice chatting to you. I look forward to seeing you at the finish line next Sunday.
Thank you.
Cool.
Always prepared.